This is an auction lot. You should find all the information that you need on our website. In the meantime, let me tell you a little bit about the property. It is currently opened up as a 3-bedroom property with a kitchen and a utility room, but it can be closed up and to form a 2-bedroom house with a small kitchen and a 1-bedroom annex with a larger kitchen and living area. So it's very versatile. You will see as you watch the video that there's lots of character and the outside space is lovely, and there's certainly lots of parking here as well. Find out more, watch the video, then book your viewing.